So let's start by opening it up. It arrived, as always, packed well and in good shape. Just made a trip from California to the East Coast, so you can see they do a good job at packaging. All the accessories are included in this. Comes with some covers and stuff. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up the app and show you that it arrived at 36% charge. And it looks like it's fairly well balanced. Looking at the side of it, you have an on-off switch, and then you have a vent, and you have some communications ports that I'm not sure about. So as always, you fully charged battery before using it, and I'm just using the standard 51 volt battery charger that I have. And let's just plug in this gauge and show you what that looks like. So there it is. The video makes it flicker. It's not like that really. It's solid, but it's a real nice indicator gauge that comes with it.